scholars on the playground. 27 scholars left to play inside. How many scholars are on the playground now? Let's read it one more time. This time I want you guys to be thinking about what do we already know and what are we trying to figure out? There were 63 scholars on the playground. 21 scholars left to play inside. How many scholars are on the playground now? So the first thing we need to do is, you guys should know by now, mark up the text. We need to, yes, let's mark up the text together. So we're gonna circle the numbers that we already know. So we know that there are 63 scholars on the playground. I'm gonna underline my unit. And we know that 21 scholars left to play inside. And what are we trying to figure out? Let's see. What are we trying to figure out? Yes, we're trying to figure out how many scholars are on the playground now. Great, good job, mathematicians. Now we need to, let me hear it. We need to represent, we need to, yes, we need to represent the story Pablo. So while Ms. Coombs is drawing out her part, whole box, think about what's our whole and what's our part and where do they go? What's our whole? What's our whole? Let me hear it. What's our whole? Yes, our whole is 63. What's our part? What's our part? Yes, our part is 21. What's my other part? We don't know yet. I'm gonna draw a box to represent the unknown, to represent the, yes, the box represents the unknown part that we do not know yet. Here's our little trick that can help us to write a number sentence to match our part, whole box. A little minus sign here underneath our whole and a plus sign in between our parts. What is a number sentence? Or what are the number sentences? Ooh, can I write to represent my part, whole box? Let me hear it. What's one? Yes, I can do a subtraction number sentence. So we can do 63 minus part equal our unknown part. We don't know it yet. What's another number sentence I can write to help me figure out our missing part, our unknown part? Yes, we can also do an addition problem. So that would look like 21 plus, we don't know, equals 63. Pause. What do we need to do next? We just represented. What do we need to do next? Let me hear it. Yes, we need to solve. We need to. Yes, we have to solve to find that unknown part. What is a strategy I can use to help me solve? Or you can use to help you solve? Yes, we can use count on. We can use count. We can use count. Do it with me. We can use count. We can use count. Yes, we can use count on to help us find that missing part. So when we're using count on, we start at our known part. We start at our, yes, so let's start at our known part. So we know that we have 21 already. So I'm gonna write 21 and box it in. counting on till we get to our whole, until we get to our whole. So we have 21. Should I count on like this? 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I heard someone say no. Why not? Yes, you are absolutely right. It is not efficient. It's gonna take me all day if I should start at 21 and count on by 1 to 63. What's a more efficient way? That means faster. What's a more efficient way I can count on till I get to my whole? What's that? I didn't hear that. Yes, I can count on by 10. I can count on by, say it louder. Yes, we can count on by 10. So we already have 21. Now let's keep counting on by 10. 31, 41, 51, 61. Should I keep going? Should I go to 71? No? Why not? You got it. Because we're only going to 63. And if I'm already at 60, what do I need to count by now to get to 63? What do I need to count by now to get to 63? Yes, I have to switch count. That means I need to count now by ones. I need to count now by, so now we have 61, 62, 63. So I'm gonna draw my two dots. So we counted on 31, 41, 51, 61, 62, 63. Now let's see, how much did we count on by? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. So what's my missing part? Let's hear it. Yes, my missing part is 42. My missing part is, yes, 42. So there are 42 scholars left on the playground. Good job, second graders, today using that count on strategy to help us find the missing part. Now it is your turn to try using that strategy on your own. Can't wait to see how well you guys do using that strategy that we learned today. This is a story problem you're gonna solve on your own. Listen as I read it. Bobby bought 98 iPhones from the Apple store. He gave his best friend 32. How many iPhones does he have left? Who's gonna use that count on strategy? Do your best work. See you guys in the next video.